All right, Carla, thank you. State leaders also responding to the events in Memphis, including Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel. 13 on your side's Josh Albertus spoke with the Attorney General today. He's joining us now from the newsroom. Josh, what changes does she say need to happen following this incident?
Well, as the top law enforcement official in the state of Michigan, Nessel is calling for multiple policy changes as to how officers here are held accountable. Nessel and many other Michigan officials have issued public rebukes of the actions of the Memphis officers. And Nessel is calling for changes to how the Michigan Commission on Law Enforcement Standards, or MCOLS, is able to discipline or revoke licenses from officers who engage in misconduct. Currently, that commission can only revoke those licenses if an officer commits fraud or gives false statements to get their license, or if they are convicted of certain criminal charges. However, Nessel believes the state should have more authority to discipline officers.
If we just put more money into MCOLS and said you can do your own investigations, and we're going to give you the money to do that, and then you can have your own hearings with due process, then that would be a way to tackle, I think, really poor policing.
Also mentioned encouraging departments to seek accreditation from the state. While not required, it signifies that the department has kept up with things like updated trainings that help officers adapt to best procedures. No legislation has been introduced yet in Michigan in response to Nichols' death, but Nessel says she hopes the legislature will consider possible changes to things like MCOLS funding. Reporting from the newsroom, Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.